Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications of spider fighting game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings application. Now scroll down your screen and tap on apps option. Go to manage apps. Now in the search bar, type in spider fighting. Here, click on notifications option. Now you'll just have to turn on the button of show notifications. And that is how you can turn on notifications of spider fighting game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.